Good morning, everyone. I Shifali from Dips Bloomingdale's. As we were discussing chapter number 8, Robinson Crusoe will continue October 27 to November 22, 1659. I followed a particular schedule to order my times of work, of going out with my gun, time of sleep, and time of diversion. Means in these time I have fixed my time that when I have to work, when I have to go with gun means to get protected from the wild animals, when to sleep and when to diverse. Every morning I worked out with my gun for 2 or 3 hours, then employed myself to work till about 11 o'clock, then eat what I had to live on, and from 12 to 2 I lay down to sleep, and then in the evening to work again. And what schedule he had started following, that was in the morning he used to walk with his gun for 2 or 3 hours, then he start doing work till 11th, then he eat, that is also necessary for him to survive there. From 12 to 2 he used to take rest, and then in evening he again start to work again. The working part of my days was usually spent in carrying the things I had rescued to my encampment. What was he doing in his working hours? He used to recollect all the things which he had rescued, which he has saved from the ship. The mornings were the most exciting, as I got to see beings that I had never seen before. Because he was so busy in his life, he was not able to see when the morning starts. So he was so happy with that because he had not seen it before, so it was so exciting for him. On many days I caught fish using insects to lure them. Once I even killed a wild cat. On daytime, he tried to catch the fish by using the insect to attract them. Or even one day, he had also killed a wild cat. I killed a large bird that was good to eat, because he was not having any food, so he has to survive on the animals and birds which were wild. So one day he had killed a wild cat, another day he had killed a large bird which was very delicious for him to eat, but I know not what to call it, but he was not aware of the name of that particular bird. I also saw some strange looking flowers. He had also found some strange flowers which he had never seen before on that island. On November 23, 1659, I found a tree that in Brazil is called the iron tree because of its hardness. He found a tree in Brazil which was also known as the iron tree. Why its name was iron tree? Because it was very hard. I decided to make tools out of this wood to help me dig a cave behind my tent. And he used that tree's wood to make the tools, and that tools helped him to dig a cave behind his tent. But because I was very sorry workman, it took me many days to craft them, because he was a lazy person, he was not aware about it, so it took him very long time to dig a cave. I spent 18 days entirely in widening and deepening my cave that it might hold my goods commodiously. During all this time, I worked to make the cave spacious enough to accommodate a warehouse, a kitchen, a dining room, and a cellar. As he was not aware how to dig, so it took him a lot of time. He spent almost 18 days for widening and deepening the cave so that he could keep his important things, necessities in the cave. He worked there so that The cave should be that much spacious that it could have a warehouse, a kitchen, a dining room as the cellar. I hope the chapter is clear to you all till now. We'll continue it tomorrow. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.